Welcome to your new MPW billing statement. This quick tutorial will help you understand all the new features and where to find them. Page 1 contains everything you need to know in a quick at-a-glance format. If you want to dive deeper, you'll find details and additional information on the following pages. At the top is your name and new 6-digit account number. Top left, you'll find our contact information if you have questions. To the right, you'll find the total amount due and the due date. Below that is a summary of your recent payments, current charges, and total charges due. Remember, MPW bills up to 8 different services on our bill for your convenience. MPW and city charges are separated here. To the left is the Message Center. Check here for important account and payment information. And at the bottom is a detachable payment coupon to use if mailing your payment. It includes the amount due and account information. Please include it to help ensure proper payment application. Want more details? Go to page 3. Here you'll find energy and water usage graphs and comparison charts, along with billing details for each service. If you have communication services, they will appear below the water information and usually continue on the next page. Here you'll find a breakdown of internet, TV, and telephone charges, followed by your MPW total. Below that are charges from the City of Muscatine for storm and sanitary sewer, as well as garbage and recycling. There are many ways to make your payment: online on your PC, on the go from the new SmartHub mobile app. You can also set it and forget it with AutoPay. You can make payments by phone using our automated system 24 hours a day. And of course, mail your payment. Put it in the after hours drop box, or in person through our drive-thru or in the lobby. And don't forget, you can also go paperless. Just register at SmartHub online or on the app. That's a quick look at your new MPW bill. Remember, if you need assistance, we're here to help. We're local, reliable, and happy to serve you.